Anna is in charge of the digital collection in a local archive. She is interested in new and innovative digital tools for enhancing user access to and engagement with the collection. Lately, she's become very interested in possibilities promised by artificial intelligence. But she has many concerns too. Specialized AI tools are not always affordable, and many of them are still in the experimental stage. On top of that, there are many legal and ethical issues regarding AI that haven't been resolved yet. So, in this session, we'll look into different subfields of AI and see how they relate to information work done in cultural heritage institutions. We'll see how this work can be improved by AI tools, but we'll also take a glance at possible risks. AI has become a very hot topic in the last couple of years, especially after the launching of OpenAI ChatGPT in 2022. But actually, different forms of AI have been present in our daily lives for quite some time. Can you think of any? Here are some familiar search engine and app features that have been powered by AI: autocorrection, search suggestion, voice search, recommendation systems, customer service chatbots, and virtual assistants. In fact, AI is an umbrella term for different technologies that mimic the way human beings think in order to analyze information, make decisions, and solve problems. The main difference between AI and simple automated systems is that AI is not explicitly programmed to follow a defined set of algorithms. Instead, it is trained to develop its own algorithms that will enable it to perform a task in the most efficient way. There are different fields of AI which have different importance in different settings. One of them is robotics. Another field is machine learning. In machine learning, AI algorithms are trained on big data sets to be able to recognize patterns and make predictions. Subfields of machine learning are speech recognition, which underlies virtual assistants such as Alexa, Cortana, or Siri, and computer vision and image recognition, used in image search and applied, for example, in medical diagnostics or fraud detection. A particularly important subfield of machine learning is natural language processing, or NLP. It is a process in which computers are trained to analyze and make sense of textual data and respond to it. For example, summarize, translate, or generate textual information. So let's now take a look at some areas within the cultural heritage sector where NLP and other forms of machine learning may bring improvements. In digital collection management, Anna uses optical character recognition, or OCR tools, to enable search through full text of digitized textual documents. OCR is a form of textual analysis based on machine learning. OCR tools convert digital images of text into a machine-readable text format so it can be structured and searched. It works with printed text, but also with handwritten characters, for example, in the tool called Transcribus, developed in Austria. Textual recognition and transcription help in information retrieval, but also support research and scholarly analysis in the fields such as history, linguistics, or literary studies. Machine learning-driven processing techniques can also help in producing summaries and annotations for textual documents. What's more, they can help in analyzing or summarizing not only individual documents, but also whole digital collections, turning them into machine-readable and processable cultural data. This is the focus of a field of study called digital humanities. Machine learning-based tools can assist in categorization of cultural heritage material. They can identify keywords and concepts in text, speech, and images, categorize them, and establish relationships between them. Libraries have already been experimenting with techniques of automated or semi-automated classification of their materials. In archives, it might help with archival appraisal. If you want to explore this topic further, you can do so at these links. Automated content analysis can be performed in combination with manual work. For example, NLP-based tools could check consistency of metadata records. Anna is excited about future opportunities, but she's also looking for affordable tools she could use right now. So far, she's been using widely available generative AI to help her create content that would promote the archive and its collections on the web. For example, she's been using ChatGPT to help her find topics for blogs and social media posts, as well as text to image tools such as Midjourney or Canva AI to create promotional visuals. But she needs to be careful. The use of AI technology is still poorly regulated, especially in terms of copyright and compensation. AI tools are being trained on and using vast amounts of data available on the web, some of which include works created by living artists and subject to copyright. There are other serious legal and ethical implications of AI. They include the lack of transparency about how its algorithms work or on which data sample it has been trained, misleading and possibly harmful reasoning if AI has been trained on biased data, hallucination, which means it has confidently presented inaccurate information as true, and possible use of AI in deepfake and other forms of disinformation. Some of these issues are addressed by the European Union AI Act, currently in proposal. If it is adopted, it will be the world's first large-scale legal framework for the use of AI. Another question that is being addressed on a global scale is distinction between AI-generated content and content made by humans. For now, AI detectors such as GPT-0 or Content at Scale can help recognize content generated by AI. But there are initiatives coming both from regulators and tech companies to enable the distinction by watermarking AI-generated content at the point of origin. However, in the light of AI development, it is clear that crucial future tasks of GLAM professionals will be to guarantee for trustworthiness of information provided through their collections, to promote algorithmic literacy, that is, the understanding of how algorithms may work in various applications and services, and to assist users in selecting, using, and assessing different AI technologies. And at the end, instead of summarizing the main points about the use of AI in GLAM institutions, we've asked ChatGPT to do it. So here it is. Enjoy the reading. Thank you for watching.